Then, dear people, how did we lift 17 crore people out of poverty in the last 9 years? Greetings to all. My name is Shubha Tiwari, and I stand here against the notion caste census will help you to identify the deprived for welfare schemes. Dear people, the path to identification of deprived lies in need-based policy like Jan Seva Kendra, not in caste-based identification. Caste census will not help you to identify the deprived because deprivation is not confined to a single caste alone. According to multidimensional poverty, dear judges, 25% of Indians are multidimensionally poor. They lack access to health, education, nutrition, irrespective of their caste. And further, I provide you three major key points to solidify my stance. First, the opposition mentioned we need caste census because we cannot help those who we cannot see. But dear members, and dear opposition, you can never see if you choose to be a blindfold. Because the deprived, the poor are not invisible. According to World Bank survey, 15% of Indians earns less than $3, dear judges. And if we see the poor, why is the need of caste census? The complex socio-economic indicators are there to tell you the deprived. What is the need of caste census? Do you want to divide the people basis of the caste? Second, the opposition mentions welfare must be based on evidence rather than assumption. I do agree, dear opposition, but dear judges, the evidence is not caste. Caste is not a welfare evidence. If I am Tiwari, if I am Pandey, if I am Yadav, if I am Shukla, does not define if I am whether I am deprived or not. Only my conditions in which I live in defines. And Article 21 of the Indian Constitution supports my stance, which says no individual shall be deprived of their state irrespective. Only they can be only be deprived except for the procedures established by the law. Third, the opposition mentions deprivation is social, not economic. Dear judges, it is very laughable statement because socio-economic survey which held in 2011 especially mentioned and counted the deprived people based on economic notation, whether they are having a house, whether they are equally have equal access to education. And to conclude, dear members, I would like to say that रहीमन धागा प्रीत का ना तोड़ो चटकाए टूटे से फिर ना जुड़े जुड़े गांठ बन जाए because caste is a very sensitive topic and we saw in what happened with UGC and thus I do not want a nation which is divided in the name of a caste. If you want to really help the deprived people, caste is just a factor, caste is just a name and a political procrastination of the opposition to delay helping the deprived. Thank you.
हो गया शुभी